sale today is an extremely nice 2013 John Deere 17D mini excavator. This particular model only has 1,600 original hours. It was a dealer loaner. When a customer brought a machine in to have it serviced or fixed, they used this as a loaner model. So it's been well taken care of, always building, stored, and never used for any heavy construction, just a loaner unit. It has its pump for the buckets. It's got the quick change, mechanical quick change bucket. Our tech goes through these machines, both physically and mechanically, make sure everything's good, replaces anything that needs replaced, and also touches up all the paint, because most of the machines we sell are to electrical companies, plumbing places, and they want a nice looking machine when they go on a job site. We put 2 new tracks. This has 2 brand new tracks on the machine, and these tracks do expand and contract for smaller areas to get in. They're nice machines to get into a smaller area. Looks like about a 10-inch, I believe it's about a 10-inch bucket. And as I said, it's a 2013 fairly new model with only 1,600 original hours as a dealer loaner. So I'm going to start it up right now, show you how the tracks go in and out, move it around a little bit, show you how smoothly it operates, and then we'll take the camera a little closer and show you up close the fantastic shape of this mini excavator. We'll go ahead and start it up and move the tracks in and out. Nice running machine, as it should be, with only 1,600 original hours. I will take the camera a little closer. As I said, I believe it's about a 10-inch bucket. It's a mechanical quick change. Nice quick change bucket. You pull the pin out. Bucket comes off to change buckets. As I said, it's plumbed, as most of them are. For attachments, good teeth on the bucket. As I said, our mechanic goes through these machines, both mechanically and physically, make sure they're in good condition. All the fluids, no smoke, no leaks. There's your new tracks, brand new tracks we put on. If the tracks are somewhat wore, we take them off and give you brand new tracks. Sprockets are in great shape. Nice cab, good seat. Check all the final fluids, everything. There's your other new track. This is diesel. Good engine, clean, always serviced, always building kept by the dealer. As I said, this was a dealer loaner. You can see it's in great shape. There's your 1,600 original hours. Really nice machine. Extremely nice John Deere 17D commercial mini excavator, dealer loaner. That's why the low hours, with only 1,600 original hours. Really nice machine. If there are any questions, my name's Kevin. My number is 724-516-1142.